This model kit review is of the Ferrari 250 GTO, and it's a snap-together kit. It's pretty large, it's about 1/18 scale, and it's by Testors and Borrego. Here's some details about the car. This is a very old kit. I bought it online, so partially assembled. And it's going to need some work. Optional is to, if you want to redo some of those colors. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, as you can see, it's a fairly large kit. I've got a metal body with hinges, so you can see inside it's going to need some additional work, spray painting that, cleaning up some of these chips. The doors also open. Got the ugly metal door hinges, but I guess that's what you need for these models. And that one doesn't quite close all the way. Here we've got our cockpit with engine mounts here. Looks like it's partially been painted. As you can see there, this is kind of flexible plastic, and it's our chassis with some stuff that needs to get sanded off. And you can see the screw holes. We've got our axles and our suspension parts. Here we have our exhausts, which when you get rid of, I guess that'll be underneath, so that's fine. Here is the underneath of our front bumper. We have got our trim, which is chrome plastic. Not too bad shape there. Here's our glass, can be used with some polishing. Here we have our 5 wheels. I guess one of them is a spare. Can use it clean. We've got our parts and instructions. So some chrome parts. I think this is for holding down the hood. Let's have a look at the rest of this. So this is part of the engine, transmission, and drive shaft. Looks like that's going to go in there. That's our engine and transmission. That's our oil pan there. Here's our steering wheel. It looks like a little gear, so maybe we'll turn the wheels. Here is our suspension with steering rack. Sorry, our hubs with steering rack. And we've got our seats. Need some cleaning and painting. This is our 12 carburetors for the engine, which goes onto here, into the top of the camshafts. As you can see there, it says Ferrari. Looks like we've got an extra wheel, maybe that's fallen out. This is part of our dashboard, which is going to go into there. There's a Ferrari emblem, looks quite nice. Another hook for the door, another Ferrari emblem there. Here's our one of the suspension parts. Got some screws, brake lights, and then here's our front headlights. Okay, and looks like we got a stick shift there, gas cap there. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions. So first of all, here's some details about the car. do have some decals remaining. So, looks like it's one page. It just kind of gives you explanations. So, it kind of explains how things go together and where they go. And then here are the assembly instructions. So this is a really old model kit. Just by the way that they give you the assembly instructions. And then some details about how to finish it. And then fastening different parts on there so they don't come off. So, pretty large model. It is a snap together, but you could do some extra detail and glue it all together with paint.